Assam reports 305 fresh COVID-19 cases, which metropolitan city Kamrup reported to be the highest on 6 August 2022. Nepal is jolted with an earthquake of 5.3 magnitude on 6 of August 2022. The National Health Mission of Assam on COVID-19 report stated Assam recorded 305 fresh COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours, pushing the tally to over 7.41 lakh. On the other hand, no fresh death found, and at present, Kamrup Metropolitan District reported the highest of 32 new cases, followed by Dibrugarh with 26 new cases, Kamrup 19 new cases, Biswanath with 18 and Golaghat 17 cases. Meanwhile, as per National Health Mission report, 472 more patients were discharged from different hospitals on Friday, taking the total number of recoveries to over 7.28 lakh with a recovery rate of 98.3%. The state currently has 4,578 active cases. The new cases were detected after 6,711 samples was being tested in the state. Jameson Teron on COVID-19 report, Kirby Daily News. Nepal is jolted with an earthquake of 5.3 magnitude on Saturday morning. The earthquake occurred in as around Kathmandu Valley and other parts of Central with 5.3 magnitude. However, there were no reports of any damage or casualties as per officials' report. According to the National Earthquake Monitoring and Research Center, the 5.3 magnitude earthquake, which occurred at 5:26 a.m., had its epicenter in Belkot Gati of Nuwakot district. In April 2015, a devastating earthquake of 7.8 magnitude rocked Nepal, killing nearly 9,000 people and wounding nearly 22,000 others. It also damaged over 800,000 houses and school buildings. This time, Nepal is fortunate to have no loss of lives and damage. Jameson Teron, report on earthquake in Nepal, Kirby Daily News.